Cucumber seeds, the nutrient-packed secret to stronger bones and overall health. Cucumber seeds, often overlooked in favor of the fruit itself, have garnered attention for their impressive nutritional profile and health benefits, particularly concerning bone health. Traditionally utilized in Chinese medicine, these seeds are emerging as a powerful ally in the fight against bone diseases such as osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, especially for postmenopausal women. Recent studies highlight their ability to enhance calcium absorption, offering a natural alternative to conventional calcium supplements and addressing a range of health issues. The nutritional power of cucumber seeds. Cucumber seeds are rich in nutrients and peptides that play a vital role in improving calcium absorption in the body. This is particularly significant in preventing conditions associated with calcium deficiency, which can lead to brittle bones, hypertension, and diseases like rickets. Unlike traditional calcium supplements, which often struggle with bioavailability, cucumber seed peptides present a promising solution. Research published in the journal Food Chemistry reveals that cucumber seeds, when subjected to liquid-state fermentation, release peptides with a high affinity for calcium. These peptides form a peptide calcium chelate, which not only enhances calcium absorption, but also reduces the formation of insoluble calcium compounds. This improvement in mineral bioavailability makes cucumber seeds a valuable addition to functional foods aimed at promoting bone health. Benefits for bone health. 1. Prevention of bone loss. Regular consumption of cucumber seeds can contribute to stronger bones. The compounds found in cucumber seeds are known to inhibit the activity of cells that break down bone tissue, helping to maintain bone density and strength. 2. Improvement of bone strength. Cucumber seeds are particularly effective in preventing the weakening of bones. Their unique compounds help protect bone structure and prevent loss, making them especially beneficial for individuals at risk of osteoporosis. 3. Boosting bone-building signals. Cucumber seeds enhance the production of beneficial proteins, such as osteoprotegerin, OPG, which protect bones, while simultaneously reducing the levels of harmful proteins like RANKL that contribute to bone loss. This dual action helps maintain a healthy balance in bone metabolism. 4. Natural and safe alternative. For those seeking to support their bone health without the side effects associated with some medications, cucumber seeds provide a natural and effective alternative. Their nutrient-rich profile supports overall well-being while aiding in bone health. Additional health benefits. Beyond their remarkable effects on bone health, cucumber seeds offer several other benefits. Prevention of constipation. Cucumber seeds are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Their cooling effect on the body also makes them a refreshing addition to meals, especially during the hot summer months. Relief from dehydration. Rich in water and various minerals, cucumber seeds can help combat dehydration, making them an excellent choice for hydration during warmer weather. Nutrient-rich composition. Cucumber seeds contain essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins that contribute to overall health, allowing the body to better utilize calcium and other vital nutrients. How to incorporate cucumber seeds into your diet. Incorporating cucumber seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. Here are some practical tips. Include them in salads. When preparing salads, do not remove the seeds. Chew them well to absorb all their beneficial nutrients. Roast and use as a garnish. If you prefer to remove the seeds for certain recipes, you can dry and roast them. Roasted cucumber seeds make a delightful addition to various dishes, from baked goods to porridge toppings. Blend into smoothies. Add cucumber seeds to your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Cucumber seeds are a nutrient-dense powerhouse that can significantly enhance bone health, particularly for postmenopausal women at risk for osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. With their ability to improve calcium absorption and provide a range of other health benefits, these seeds represent a natural and effective way to support overall well-being. By incorporating cucumber seeds into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining strong bones and promoting digestive health, making them a valuable addition to your culinary repertoire. As research continues to unveil the remarkable properties of cucumber seeds, they are poised to become a staple in health-conscious diets around the world.